video starts, I just wanted to hop in and say that I deeply apologize for how long it's taken me to post this video. I've had a lot of issues with my phone storage and stuff, so it's just made making YouTube videos specifically a lot more difficult. I am getting a new phone soon, very soon, so I will be posting a lot more on YouTube. I aim to post once a week. Obviously this upload is a bit late this week, but I'm still aiming to get it up today. Anyway, that's it from me. I'm going to send you back to past me. Hi, welcome either to or back to my channel. Today I'm going to be bleaching my roots because they're kind of long, and I'm going to be re-dyeing my hair because it's faded quite a lot. And also I got sent a very exciting package from Lunar Tides hair, and I'm going to be using one of the dyes from that package. They very kindly sent me some for free, which is crazy to say that, but yeah. So that's what's happening today. Sent in this really cool box all the way from the United States, so that's super cool. It sent me 3 different colors, so for the next like however long I'll probably be maybe using those depending on how I feel, I don't know. But yeah, I'm very excited. Again, I apologize, but a lot of this is going to be vertically filmed because I will be filming a lot of this for my TikTok as well, and I don't have 2 cameras, so that's just what's going to be happening. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna get into it. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, once again, apologies for these being vertical, but this is the bleach mix that I use the sachets, and then I use a full of 20 volume developer and like mix it all together. It always smells horrendous. And then I mix in some shampoo because I'm a bit scared of straight up bleach, so I put this in just to make it a little bit less harsh on my hair. It also just means that it processes just a little bit slower,
deadliest tornado
so
ever, killing 10 people. 100 blocks of North Fargo experienced damage, with many homes in the Golden Ridge subdivision being swept away. This tornado is actually very infamous, as it's one of the most well documented at the time. For instance, it was documented enough for Ted Fujita, the person who made the Fujita scale. He was publicly
my hair. You'll see that I'm only really sectioning the front pieces and doing those. Okay, I've just done my roots, which you would have just seen me do. Just as like a heads up, I didn't film me doing the back of my head because I literally just take it on my fingers and like move it around and stuff, because I find sectioning it, I miss more somehow when I section it. Because I'm an idiot and I can't see the back of my head. So feeling around for me is way easier. With gloves on, obviously I don't really want to give myself chemical burns, but I'm gonna leave it in for half an hour. Although it's really processing really quickly. And I'm hoping that the back of my head will process just as fast because it's warm back there. I don't know science, but anyway, this is the state I'm currently in. So I'm gonna leave that on for half an hour and then I'm gonna wash it out. It's already getting itchy. I'm just gonna every now and then do a pull test and make sure my hair isn't falling out. Excuse the loud ass fan, but I think it's time to wash out. We're very blonde, and I've checked the back of my head. And I actually have done a good job, which is good, because I'm always terrified I'm gonna miss parts of the back of my head, which is why I do it just with my hands rather than just a brush, because I will miss so much stuff. These are just the shampoo and conditioner I use when I wash out my bleach. Okay, I'm back. My hair is dry, and I'm also so excited because I opened the package from Lunar Tides. Look how cool! Oh, stuff is falling out. Send me a sticker, and also this is so cool. They sent me this, which is obviously 15% off for you guys. You can use my code. I feel like a real influencer doing that. And I got dark violet. I got Magic Salem, which is like a really dark purple. And then I also got Magic Oracle, which is a dark green, which I kind of want to do in the autumn season. But today I'm going to be using dark violet, which I'm very excited about. And they've just sent me some gloves, which is very kind of them. I probably won't use them today, but I will definitely be keeping those. But look how pretty the packaging is. I'm obsessed. I cannot believe I got sent this for free. I'm very grateful. So thank you so much to them. And yeah, use the discount code if you want some hair dye. Okay, so here's me slapping that beautiful dye on. I can confidently say that I absolutely love this colour. At present, this is the second time I've used it. Not that I'm filming now, that was the first time, but I have used it twice now and I absolutely love it. Like, the colour is so pretty. It doesn't look like blue on camera, but it is a blue purple. So this is the point I got to where I realised that
This dye is really, really thick, so I might have to thin it out just a touch because my hair's not very absorbent for whatever reason. I don't know why. It should be because it's porous because it's bleached, but it's just not. And I was like, this consistency is just not going to saturate my hair. So I put a bit of conditioner in it, but the 2 pots do me completely fine. 2 tubs. Perfect amount for my hair, to be honest with you. As you can see, I got it bloody everywhere. So here is me using some micellar water to get it off my skin. If you can't get it off with micellar water, I would recommend an oil-based eye makeup remover. And if you're really, really struggling, nail varnish remover does work, but I would not recommend using that on your skin. It does work on surfaces though.
Okay, so hair dye is on. As always, it took forever. It takes so long to saturate my hair. I did mix a bit of conditioner into it because that dye is incredibly thick. Like, it was enough, you know, to cover my head, but I just was like, this is so thick, I don't know if I'm going to be able to saturate my hair with this, because I prefer like a runny consistency because it just, my hair absorbs it better, basically. I'm going to leave it on for 45 minutes. I really can't be asked to leave it on for more than that. I'm going to be so real with you. This is the bit I hate. I hate sitting and waiting with it on my head because it feels kind of gross. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm really excited to see the colour because it's definitely a blue purple, which I'm so happy about. And that's kind of the colour I went for last time, which is why my hair faded to like a blue. But I think this might be a bit more purpley, which is so nice, and I'm very excited to see it. So yeah, I'll come back to you when I have washed it all out. I'm currently eating a muffin because I don't know what to do with myself. My hair is processing because bleach processes so goddamn fast. Like, I can bleach my hair and have it completely done and dry, washed out and everything within an hour. This, however, takes so much longer. I have to sit here with it on for like, you know, I used to leave it on for hours, but I really don't care. Like, I can't be arsed. Okay, I'm back from the shower. It is looking very blue. It has stained me really bad, so I'm gonna have to like wipe that off. I don't know how else to get it off because I tried in the shower and it just wouldn't come off. So yeah, but at least that means that it will have stuck to my hair. So I'm gonna blow dry it and do my makeup, and then I'll show you, because I actually still have daylight for once, so that's fun. Okay, she's pretty much dry, looking good. I like it. I'm gonna slap some makeup on and then I'm going to show you in the sunlight. So here she is in all of her glory. The colour is so gorgeous. I am so in love with it. Like I said, I've used this dye twice now and it lasted me so well. It just is so pretty. It's literally the perfect shade of purple for me. So if you like it too, I would really urge you to try this dye out. It's so good. And 2 tubs is what you need for any length of hair that is like mine. Just wanted to hop in at the end and say thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to buy some hair dye from Lunar Tides, which I would urge you to try it if you have the means to. I know it's a bit more expensive, but it is really good in my opinion. You're welcome to use my discount code. I do earn a small commission from the discount code, just to be completely transparent, but I'm not lying. I do really enjoy this dye and I will be purchasing it with my own money. I really hope you enjoyed the video and thank you so much for watching, and thank you for being patient with me. I really appreciate it.